In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop on BandLab. So the first thing you have to do here, of course, you must have some audio you wish to loop. And now the easiest way to do it is by clicking on that audio, and then you can just click on this cycle button at the very top or press C on your keyboard, and it's going to loop that audio. And if I now play it over here, you'll be able to see it's going to basically loop itself automatically. So when it comes to the end, there we go, it's going to loop. And I can now change where I want the loop to happen. And there we go, it's basically going to loop that part. Of course, I can make it smaller as well to only loop that specific bit over here. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can loop. That's the easiest way. But if you don't want to loop that way and you just want to loop and basically make something endless, a loop of a specific audio as long as possible, just go ahead and drag up here out, and like when you do this, it's going to basically start looping, and you can do as many loops as you want. And whenever you're happy, click out, and you can just extend this, and then you can go ahead and play it, and it's going to basically play the entire bit, and you've basically just looped some audio however you wanted, and you can do it for as long as you wish. So that's how to loop. Those are all the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.